Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Make sure your device is online and unlocked. Open Settings on iPhone or iPad. On Mac, open System Settings. Once done, look at the top where your name appears. That area holds your Apple ID and iCloud access. If you're not signed in, tap Sign In and enter your Apple ID credentials. This is essential so the device can query Apple servers and display your iCloud identity. Make sure two-factor prompts are accepted if they appear. Then stay on that account screen. Now locate your iCloud ID. Tap your name at the top of Settings. The email shown under your name is the Apple ID used for iCloud. On Mac, open System Settings, select Apple ID, and read the email shown in the sidebar. If you prefer a browser, go to iCloud. And sign in. The email you used is displayed when you authenticate. This confirms whether devices share the same account. Make sure the displayed email is current, and note it for password changes or account recovery. Finish by copying or noting the Apple ID email you found. You'll need it for password resets or when contacting support. If you want to switch accounts, sign out of iCloud from Settings, then sign in with a different Apple ID. Make sure you understand data prompts about keeping or removing local data. If the Apple ID doesn't appear, check your connection, update the OS, and restart the device. If problems persist, use recovery options or visit an Apple store. That troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.